Hey, sup YouTube? In this video I'll be showing you how to make a little fighter jet. Here's another vehicle tutorial. And you will need obsidian, light, fences. It has to be regular, not another brick. Stone slabs, glass, a lever, a dispenser, and I think that's it. So let's get into it. You want to place 2 obsidian. You want to place 1 obsidian down, and skip to the right twice. Place another obsidian, and then on both of the obsidians, place a fence. And then you want to place a stone slab on each of them, even in the middle. And then, it's gonna be the back. So now you want to come down to the back wheels, and then you want to go 9 out. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Actually 6 would be good, and then go to the left one. Perfect. Then you want to bring your stone slabs all around this fence on top. And so yeah, that's gonna be like the body of your fighter jet. Now you wanna, like a little thing like, I'll bring it out by 1. Wait, no, 2. Sorry. And then you want to cut off those, and then place down stone slabs right there. And you want to place dispenser right. Like that, place dispenser right there. Actually, you don't want regular blocks right there. Here, I'm confused. Sorry. I'll place glass right there, and glass right there, and we'll place glass right there. And then we also want to get a rail and a minecart. Place your rail right there. I can place right there. Dang it. Sorry, I'm in a rush. Can't do that. Oh wait, no. Actually, I just want to again bring this out by 2. Sorry. I can plan this out. Actually, no. It is out by 1. And then I'm gonna place stone slab right there. Place your dispenser right there. Well, I guess you can just get in and place 2 glass right there, and then I'm gonna come down here, place your stone slabs right there. So I'm gonna place 1 in the dispenser. That. And then you want to go to here, and then skip 2, and then Bring it out by 1, then bring it out by 2, then bring it out by 3, then bring it out by 4. And then right here, we click wing, going out by 3. Do the same thing on the outside. And 3. This is too big for a fighter jet. Also, you will need, now you want to get rid of all that. You want to get glowstone. Then you want to place it right there. Right there. Right there. And right there. And last but not least, right there. So like that little pattern. So yeah, you're almost done. Now what you want to do is get white carpet. Yes, white carpet, and place it on all of the glowstone. Actually, I think it will look better in light gray. Actually, so let me also get regular. Yeah. Okay, that looks way better. Now, what you want to do is you want to get red wool, blue wool, and white wool. Red, white, blue. And then we'll place your red wool right there, blue wool right there, and white wool right there. Actually, no. Let's see. Here, let's see something else. Actually, use a block of iron. But if you want to do white wool, you can. But just a block of iron. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I think this kind of looks a little bit weird. Also, if you want, you could get your stone slab and then get a lever. So then you could place your stone slab right there and then just the lever right there. So yeah. Also, if you do want to do that, you want to get arrows or fire charges. Or snowballs. I'll just use arrows. Let's go do 5 stacks of arrows and then the rest snowballs. Yeah. Actually, it can only work with snowballs. Sorry. One, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please do leave a like, subscribe, or do anything to make me happy. And so yeah, that is Wolf Cupcake here and out. So peace.